Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the 9th video in a series of short videos on the test answers for MG5004 DE5418 2020. Okay, this is a parametric question. Now normally to find the area you just integrate between the two limits, the function like that. So basically that's the same thing, except that we've got issues this time because we don't have x. Well, we do have x, but it's written in terms of theta. So we need to find dx. So dx by d theta would be 1 minus cos theta. So therefore dx would be 1 minus cos theta d theta. And we know what y is, so let's just do those substitutions. This is not integration by substitution, but it is substituting in some facts. So 0 to pi, and y is 1 minus cos theta, and dx we now know is 1 minus cos theta d theta. Okay, let's do the multiplication there. So then we're fine. Okay, we can just do it singly and from what we already know about integration. So it would be theta minus 2 sine theta plus, now this is where we'd have to change this to using a trig identity, but you know that, you've got that on your list. And number crunching. So your final answer would be 3 pi over 2 square units. And that's that.